Hello, I'm Brad Ostermann, General Manager of Kia Victoria. First off, I would like to express my sincere hope that you and your families are safe and coping during this difficult time. As a father of 4 young boys and a business owner, I can certainly empathize with the stress and strain this situation is causing both emotionally and financially. At Kia Victoria, our #1 concern is the safety and health of our team, our families, and our clients. But we are also passionate about being here to help with your transportation needs. For the vast majority of you, servicing or purchasing a vehicle is very low on the priority list at this moment, and we get that. If, however, you need your car repaired or serviced, we are here. We are confident that by strictly enforcing social distancing, rigorously disinfecting, using gloves and masks where appropriate, we can keep our team and clients safe. For those of you who prefer, we have developed a zero-contact service process, so you don't even have to enter the dealership. To help with the financial burden that we're all facing, we are discounting all vehicle service and repair by 15%. We can also complete a vehicle sale without you having to come to the dealership. This is designed for those of you who need a vehicle, but understandably don't want to risk your health or the health of others. We can bring a vehicle to you, appraise your car, present all the information, and complete the purchase or lease without you having to leave your home. Kia Canada has also stepped up incredibly by paying up to 6 months of payments in addition to 0% interest for up to 84 months on certain vehicles. In my 20-year career, I have never seen this. So for those of you who have the need, we are here and we can safely accommodate. For anyone in a current lease or finance contract with Kia Canada who is struggling, Kia has a deferral and extension option. Like Kia Victoria, Kia Canada wants to help. If you wish to avail yourself of any of these services, please click on the links below for more information. And now, as you can see, we've decided to go ahead with our scheduled renovation. While nervous of the expense and the disruption, we are open and our whole team is excited to push forward so that we can come out of this with a brand new facility to better serve our clients and our community. Lastly, we are supporting the Mustard Seed Food Bank, who has been hit hard by this pandemic. If you can help, check out our Soul Food campaign on our website. Thank you very much, stay safe, and look after each other.